Now, water is a basic necessity, but for many of the national capital, even that had become a daily struggle. One such location is Kunwar Singh Colony in West Delhi. Now, in the aftermath of the Indore tragedy, India Today set out and we tried to check how safe is water here in the national capital. Shreya, my colleague who you just saw, was at the forefront of that investigation as well. We visited 3 locations, travelled extensively on ground and spoke to hundreds of residents, and what emerged was deeply worrying. You see that picture over there? That's what is really been the cause of real struggle. People told us that they had no choice but to consume contaminated water. But after that India Today investigation, we highlighting the issue as well. The administration, we are very happy to report, has finally woken up and they were forced to respond. In Kunwar Singh Colony today, work to replace the old pipelines has now officially begun. And our coverage has brought a smile to the faces of those same residents who were holding the mask on their face and saying it's impossible to even breathe when the tap water is on. Take a look at this report.
बहुत आते हैं, साफ तो आते हैं, बाकी बदबू वाला पानी आते हैं, नाली के पानी के जैसे बदबू आ रहे हैं।
कंप्लेन कर दिए, कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, फिर भी गंदा पानी आ रहा है।
आप आए हैं, उसके दूसरे दिन से काम शुरू हो गए, हमारे को ना अच्छे पानी मिले।
हाँ, बहुत खुश है, सभी खुश है, पानी साफ आ गया, नहीं तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी।
This is yet another India Today impact. For days, residents of Kunwar Singh Colony in West Delhi were forced to live with a nightmare. Toxic, contaminated water flowing into their homes. Water they drank, water they cooked with, water their children bathed in. All no different from sewer waste. Residents told us they had complained repeatedly, but no one listened.
ये पानी पीने से इंसान के पेट में दर्द हो रहे हैं, बीमार भी पड़ रहे हैं।
गंदा ही पानी आ रहा है, 2-3 महीना से सबके पेट में दर्द हो रहा है।
आप लोग मैनेज कैसे कर रहे हो? पानी को तो हर चीज में जरूरत है।
खरीद के पी रहे हैं पानी 2-3 महीने से।
तो हो रहा है, पेट में बहुत ज्यादा दर्द है, तबीयत खराब हो रही है, किसी को उल्टी हो रही है, किसी को लैट्रिन हो रही है, ऐसे ही दर्द है, किसी की गैस बन रही है।
India Today went on the ground, spoke to families, documented the rot, and exposed what Delhi's residents were being forced to endure. And within days of raising the alarm, the administration was forced to act. The Delhi government has now begun removing decades-old pipelines and replacing them with new lines, acknowledging the problem that residents had been flagging for years.
This is the same Kunwar Singh Colony that we visited a week back. The same colony that was reeling under contaminated water issue. After our report, the Delhi Jal Board has worked on the ground. What do you see over here? The work that's been done by the DJB, these are the remains of that. What we are being told that when IGL pipeline work was going on, the water pipeline of the Delhi Jal Board was broken, and that issue has now been fixed by the Delhi Jal Board.
When India Today first met the residents, there was anger and helplessness. Today, there is relief and gratitude. Residents say it is only after India Today's reporting that clean water has finally begun to reach their homes. A smile on their faces because at last they are receiving what was always theirs, a fundamental right.
या आप जो एक हफ्ते पहले आई हो, उस टाइम जब कंप्लेंट हुई है या वीडियो बना है, उसके बाद में काम बहुत अच्छा हुआ है और सारी प्रॉब्लम जो पानी की थी सब सॉल्व हो गई है।
क्रोश यहाँ पे बहुत था कि कुछ नहीं होगा, सॉल्व नहीं होगा।
सॉल्व हुआ, बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व हुआ, आपके आने के बाद ही सॉल्व हुआ। जब कंप्लेन करी थी तो कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा था।
खुश हो अभी आप?
हाँ, बहुत खुश है, सभी खुश है, पानी साफ आ गया, नहीं तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी।
ये सच है, अभी आप लोगों को अच्छा पानी मिल रहा है?
हाँ जी, आप आए हैं, उसके दूसरे दिन से काम शुरू हो गए, हमारे को ना अच्छे पानी मिले। आप सबके बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी।
खुश हो अभी आप?
हाँ जी, बहुत बहुत ही खुश है, बहुत ज्यादा खुश है।
अब खुश हो?
हाँ, पानी साफ आ गई है। हाँ जी, आपका भी थैंक यू और पानी देने वाले का भी थैंक यू।
For the people of Kunwar Singh Colony, clean water is no longer a demand. It is becoming a reality. A stark reminder that basic rights cannot be ignored and that sustained public pressure brings results. With Shreya Chatterjee, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, finally, a story that brings a smile to our faces as well. And Shreya is with us. Shreya, I'm sure you are feeling it. I can see it on your face as well right now. There is no better feeling for a journalist to see real change on ground. So kudos to you. Well done from all of us here in the studio as well for tracking the story, for collecting all those water bottles. But before I come to you and understand what's the next leg, just for our viewers, I really want them to see the before and after reactions one more time. The same people, how good, true journalism can change lives. Take a look.
3-4 महीने हो गए हैं, गंदे पानी बहुत आते हैं, बदबू वाला पानी आते हैं, नाली के पानी के जैसे बदबू आ रहे हैं। ये पानी पीने से इंसान के पेट में दर्द हो रहे हैं, बीमार भी पड़ रहे हैं। 3-4 महीने से बहुत हम परेशान हो रखे थे। खारे पानी पीते थे, ऑनलाइन भी पानी मंगा के हम बच्चे के देते थे या पीते भी थे। अब तो बहुत, सच में बहुत खुश है। अब कम से कम
जो एक पानी खरीदने की आप लोगों की इतनी समस्या थी।
हाँ जी, बहुत ज़्यादा आई। अब बीमार भी होते थे लोग, पानी पीते थे, बीमार भी होते थे। बाकी अब ना जब आप आए ना, जो दूसरे दिन काम शुरू हो गए।
दिल्ली जल बोर्ड से ही काम करते हैं।
हाँ, दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के पर कंप्लेन कर दी, कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, फिर भी गंदा पानी आ रहा है। सॉल्व हुआ, बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व हुआ, आपके आने के बाद ही सॉल्व हुआ। जब कंप्लेन करी थी तो कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा था।
खुश हो अभी आप लोग?
हाँ, बहुत खुश है, सभी खुश है, पानी साफ आ गया, नहीं तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी।
आप कह रहे हो ये थी कि आपको तबीयत खराब
होती है, पेट में दर्द होता है, बुखार भी आने लग जाता है।
आपकी बच्ची की भी तबीयत खराब
और क्या, सबकी तबीयत खराब हो रही है पानी पीते थे इसको। 2 महीना तक बाई चांस भर भी लेते ना, 2 केस तो तबीयत खराब हो जाती है।
जब आप आए जब से हुआ है, पहले से तो बहुत गंदा पानी आ रहा था। हाँ,
कैसे काम किया इन्होंने?
अच्छा काम किया था, अच्छा किया था काम तो। जल्दी कार्रवाई करी थी, पानी अच्छा आने लग गया।
साफ पानी
हाँ, साफ आ रहा
कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
अब कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
See how life changed though? One solid piece of reporting, and also kudos to the government for actually responding to that. Shreya is with us. Shreya, this time when you went back, I'm sure the smiles said it all, and I'm sure you're going to have a very good night's sleep today.
Well, absolutely, Sonal. I think, as you very rightly pointed it out, this is what a journalist lives for, to see actual action on the ground. And actually, kudos to the Delhi Jal Board and the Delhi government as well for reacting to our report and then fixing it. That also shows that these work can be done at a faster pace. And that is what people need right now. We have one colony where the solution has been offered, countless more in the national capital, still waiting for solution to be given. But we have some figures from the Delhi Jal Board as well, that there were close to 9,000 complaints that they had received till the 31st of December. And they are resolving it at a very fast pace now. In places where there are bypass lines, there are main feeder line works that's also being done. We have those visuals as well. And at least 98% there's a resolution rate, is what we've been told by the Delhi Jal Board. Some places still reel under these problems, but at least there is hope on the ground. And I think Kuwar Singh Colony has come out as that hope through our report.
Yeah, but we can't stop here, can we, Shreya? Because there are several other colonies which are facing the issue. In Noida, there is a major issue. In Greater Noida, there have been several issues as well. So there is a basic, what is your sense of why, there is a hold up in resolving these issues on the ground? Is there an issue of people in Jal Board or MLCs, etc., not understanding the issue, not giving it enough importance? Is there a fund issue? What holds them back? Like, why should it take a TV channel to open their eyes and say, just work on basics?
Well, I personally feel that there is also a lack of reactionary measures. I mean, these complaints have been coming in for quite some time. I got all these complaints visibly seen on the Twitter page of Delhi Jal Board. So clearly it's been lying, but people do not react until there's pressure that's mounted. So that's a very sorry picture of how our government still continues to function. But the other thing, Sonal, is that the urban planning situation is not very good when we look at these places, because what essentially happened is that if there is the digging up work of an IGL line that is going on, or if there is a digging up work that is going on of some other kind of ground level work, so then it is not coordinated with the Delhi Jal Board. During these, there are pipelines which get broken and then contamination happens. What we need is everybody working together so that planning can be really done. If we have such essential policies on the ground, why not work on it? Why just have it only on paper and work only when there is pressure down on the system? So probably that's something that these governments and all these bodies should work together on. Only then we will see some real accountable situation changing drastically on the ground.